Kokishula Bubagrakor Aguni Nuyung Mawa TSF Brungsune Mota Titi Pramota Katalai Kasha Koktomaturi Banda Klaika Ashala Bubagrani Imang Greta Tibralini Jobawa Yagbai Kubai Joba Kaina Hine Kataka TSF Brungsune Mota Panda Bubagra Podukishur Maniko Deborma TSF ni Omaha Yapri Nahamarti Belek Hapurjaka Shaka Omuno Paitak Soba Jotono Tanjani Jobabo Lamshogo Jini Joba Tumuni Jobaya Jini Joba Elembani Mantai Choktani Bagi Jobasi Ojoba Koroksa Borgni Joba Boya, Kashamotani Joba Boya, Ojoba Jotini Joba Sihini Shaka. Asho Shimia Botebo Shaka, Edisi Haponi Bukakti, Omono Puila, Hayuni Hani Busharoni Shal, Balajang Joto Hankor, Joto Tayana, Hom Dodom Ke. Balajang Hom Dodon Bishintino, Bobagra, Bilbigramni Ase Mashal, Bar Hai Yogmani Shal, the Edisi Man Mashalbo Haino. Te Shaka, Shalja Greater, Tipra Len, Manbaibo, Hom Dodom Ke, Omahakino Shal Palai Nehine.
I want to first of all extend my heartfelt gratitude and I would like to extend my best wishes to TSF, Tripura Students Federation, for joining the movement for the Greater Tripura Land. Greater Tripura Land is a movement where we want every Tiprasa, every individual who may not even be a Tiprasa, who believes in the concept of a state which had a great history, a great future, a flourishing career, and a wonderful bonhomie between friends, communities, irrespective of religion and ethnicity. I am very happy because I have been associated with TSF since 2002. When I was not even in Tripura, I have worked with TSF, and after 19 years, TSF and our organization Tripura Mota have jointly decided to fight for Greater Tripura Land movement. TSF has a great history. It was formed in 1968, 67 with an ideology to improve upon the Tiprasa students. And let me tell you that till the time we do not come together for the benefit of our Dokha, our community, we will always suffer. TSF has its units not only in Tripura, TSF has its units all over India. They also have the unit outside India. And I will appeal to all of these units outside Tripura and outside even India, which are some are there in Bangladesh as well, to morally and mentally and physically support us in our constitutional fight for Greater Tripura Land. This year, the World Indigenous Day theme is leave no one behind, and I don't want to leave anyone behind in our movement, be it any political party, be it any social organization, because I also realize that the last fight for our existence will be now. If this time we do not put up a united effort, forever our existence will be over. So I appeal through you all, through the media friends, to please understand that ours is not a political electoral fight. Ours is a movement for our constitutional right and our rightful constitutional right, which have been denied to us. And whenever it's a student organization or a women's organization, I'm very happy that if they join with us, I'm very happy. I'm also very happy to say that we have not only the TSF president, Bishu here, John here, Bipul here, many other leaders from TSF here. We have the former NESO, current NESO Vice Chairman Upendra Debarma, NESO meaning North Eastern Students Organization. We have Bisujit Koloy, we have Sunil Debarma here. I am very happy to also say that I have my CM who's somewhere there, and Dolly Rian, Purnachandra De Barma, Dolly Rian. I'm also very happy to see that we have YTF, President Runil De Parma, Working President Pitor Tayo, and we have so many people. This is a good blend of youth, seniors, women and Tiprasas. And our agenda is to sincerely not compromise and work for our final goal. If we succeed, this will not be the victory of TSF, this will not be the victory of Tipra Motha. If we win, this will be the victory for all Tiprasas. This is not the fight for one individual, this is not a fight for one organization, this is a fight for all the Tiprasas. And I know whether you are in CPM or Congress or IPFT or BJP, in your heart, I know that all of you secretly, privately want our Greater Tipra Land movement to be successful. Because this Greater Tipra Land is not for one organization, it is for all the Tiprasas. I am very happy once again that TSF has joined us. I am also very happy to see Aghor De Barma, Narendra De Barma here. Very happy to see NESO Chairman here, Upendra, NESO Vice Chairman Upendra here, and TSF leadership, central leadership. I would also like to request the media once more that Tipra Motha is an independent organization. We are not a B team of any political party. We are the A team for Tiprasas. वो टाइम ख़त्म हो गया कि रीजनल पार्टी कोई नेशनल पार्टी के लिए बी टीम होता था. हम लोग ए टीम हैं फॉर आवरसेल्व्स, फॉर Tiprasas. तो दूसरे इश्यूज़ में हमें अननेसेसरी ड्रैग मत कीजिए, वो उनका प्रॉब्लम है. हमारा लाइन एक अलग है, एक इंडिपेंडेंट लाइन है और हम उस लाइन में कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करने वाले. If there is any question from the media, I'll be more than happy to answer them. That the council itself has decided to celebrate officially. आज तक 35 years में किसी ने भी वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनस डे ऑफिशियली काउंसिल से सेलिब्रेट नहीं किया है. हम लोग फर्स्ट काउंसिल में हम लोग पहली बार वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. इंडिजिनस का मतलब भूमिपुत्र, और हम लोग वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनस डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. मुंगिया कामी में अपना प्रोग्राम होगा, खुमुलुंग में प्रोग्राम होगा, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में प्रोग्राम होगा. नॉर्थ कंचनपुर से लेके, गोमती से लेके, ओम्पी से लेके, अमरपुर से लेके, कोरबुक से लेके, अम्बासा से लेके, अगरतला, खुआई, रामचंद्र घाट, टाकरजला, सब जगह में, सब जहाँ में हम लोग का ब्लॉक्स है वहाँ में हम लोग का सेलिब्रेशन होगा. और सेंट्रल हमने इस बार सोचा है कि हम लोग मुंगिया कामी में करें और खुमुलुंग में भी प्रोग्राम होगा. अगरतला में अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ में क्योंकि कोरोना का रिस्ट्रिक्शंस है और परमिशन नहीं मिल रहा है, हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. लेकिन मैं होपफुल हूँ कि नेक्स्ट ईयर आप लोग हमारे संग अगरतला में भी प्रोग्राम के लिए शामिल हो सकेंगे. 19 तारीख को महाराजा वीर विक्रम का जन्मदिन है, उसको भी हम लोग अच्छे तरीके से सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. और 23 तारीख अगस्त इज ADC डे. वी विल ऑल्सो सेलिब्रेट दैट. And we will also celebrate Independence Day. We are the first council to have started Jana Gana Mana in our council. Before that, nobody even thought of doing Jana Gana Mana. Nobody can call us anything. We are patriotic. We love our country. We love the people of our country. And we have a view. क्योंकि हमसे पहले किसी ने नहीं किया, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम आने वाले दिन में नहीं करेंगे. और गॉड विलिंग एक दिन आएगा कि हम लोग ग्रेटर तिप्रा लैंड डे भी हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. थैंक यू.